What's up, everyone? I'm pumped to announce that I've signed with the Star Racing Yamaha crew for 2025 and beyond.
Christian Craig is back in blue. This is for, as far as I'm reading, a 2-year deal to race the 450 and also help develop the 250, the young up-and-coming squad. Basically means, hey, help us get Deegan to be a champion and 450 sooner. He had a quote saying, "I'm so excited to be back with the Star Racing team and grateful that even after 2 years away, they still welcomed me. They still welcomed and believed in me. It already feels so good to be back in the same environment where I won my championship and surrounded by the people who helped me get there. Looking forward to a great next couple of years." Now, obviously, Christian Craig on that 250 looked smooth butter fast, just whoops, didn't matter. Everything that 1 year clicked perfectly. It was just exactly what it needed to be. And obviously the last couple years on the Husky have not been well, with crashes, whether he didn't like the bike or not, and the injury and subsequent I think it was 4 elbow surgeries. So a lot of time off the bike, a lot of time just not racing. And for him, it sucks. You spent all that time in the 250 squad, filling in for Honda for a while, and then coming back down, and finally get to your 450 big boy ride and have it be marred with injuries. Who knows? We'll see how long he actually, if this is a 2-year deal to help, to race and then also help develop. It's just kind of one of those things that, is this the last contract he gets? Maybe, maybe not. Either way, it's still good for him. Jeremy Coker, the Monster Energy Star Racing 450 team manager, said, "We are excited to have Christian back aboard the Star Racing Yamaha YZ450F. We feel that he has yet to show his true abilities on the 450, and we look forward to bringing him back to where he belongs." Nice of them. "We also look forward to having him back around the young talent that we have on our team to bring his experience and help us develop those younger riders." Now, obviously, he has a really good relationship, whatever you want to call it, with the Deegans and Hayden Deegan especially. So for them, this is probably a good deal. You get a solid rider who's going to be, if he's healthy, probably top 10 summer racing around there. And you get somebody who is going to help the younger squad, help the younger guys develop whoop, speed, control. So for them, it's probably not a huge contract, and it's probably a good one. Value versus monetary expenditure for them, probably a good overall terms. But we'll see how this works out. I mean, I'm excited for him. I'm glad to see him back on a 450, or at least to get another contract and not have that one chance blown and then gone. But this is where I'm asking you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you think this is a good idea, a bad idea? Is this going to help any of the 250 guys? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.
What's up, everyone? I'm pumped to announce that I've signed with the Star Racing Yamaha crew for 2025 and beyond. I'm excited to get to work and grateful for the opportunity they gave me. This is the team that I won my first championship with and got lots of wins. So hopefully we can replicate that and get to work here soon.